गणेशाय नमः। ओम श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। ओम समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरम्। ओम सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्परां। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पादं शङ्करं लोकशङ्करम् शङ्करं लोकशङ्करम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। द्वितीय अनुवाक, सेकंड अनुवाक। सो रिपीट आफ्टर मी। अन्नाद्वै प्रजाः प्रजायन्ते याकाश्च पृथिवीगं श्रिताः अथो अन्नेनैव जीवन्ति अथैनदपि यन्त्यन्ततः अन्नगं हि भूतानां ज्येष्ठम् तस्मात् सर्वौषधमुच्यते। सर्वं वैतेन्नमाप्नुवन्ति ये अन्नं ब्रह्मोपासते। अन्नगं हि भूतानां ज्येष्ठम् तस्मात् सर्वौषधमुच्यते। अन्नाद् भूतानि जायन्ते जातान्यन्नेन वर्धन्ते। अद्यतेत्ति च भूतानि तस्मादन्नं तदुच्यत इति। तस्माद्वा एतस्मात् अन्नरसमयात् अन्योन्तर आत्मा प्राणमयः। तेनैष पूर्णः स वा एष पुरुषविध एव। तस्य पुरुषविधताम् अन्वयं पुरुषविदः। तस्य प्राण एव शिरः। व्यानो दक्षिणपक्षः। अपान उत्तरपक्षः। आकाश आत्मा। पृथिवी पुच्छं प्रतिष्ठा। तदप्येष श्लोको भवति अन्नाद्वै प्रजाः प्रजायन्ते याकाश्च पृथिवीगं श्रिताः अथो अन्नेनैव जीवन्ति अथैनदपि यन्त्यन्ततः अन्नगं हि भूतानां ज्येष्ठम् तस्मात् सर्वौषधमुच्यते सर्वं वै तेन्नमाप्नुवन्ति ये अन्नं ब्रह्मोपासते अन्नगं हि भूतानां ज्येष्ठम् तस्मात् सर्वौषधमुच्यते अन्नाद् भूतानि जायन्ते जातान्यन्नेन वर्धन्ते आद्यतेति च भूतानि तस्मादन्नं तदुच्यत इति तस्माद्वा ये तस्माद् अन्नरसमयाद् अन्योन्तर आत्मा प्राणमयः तेनैष पूर्णः स वा एष पुरुषविध एव तस्य पुरुषविधताम् अन्वयं पुरुषविदः तस्य प्राण एव शिरः यानो दक्षिणपक्षः अपान उत्तरपक्षः आकाश आत्मा पृथिवी पुच्छं प्रतिष्ठा तदप्येष श्लोको भवति। अन्नाद रसादि भाव परिणतात् वा इति स्मरणार्थः प्रजाः स्थावरजंगमाः प्रजायन्ते याकाश्च अविशिष्टाः पृथ्वीं श्रिताः पृथ्वीं आश्रिताः ताः सर्वाः अन्नादेव प्रजायन्ते। Now अन्नात् रसादि भाव परिणतात्, annat means this anna because of its being transformed into various rasas. In English medical language, child, so many rasas, so many juices it's transformed. So annat rasadi bhava parinatat va iti smaranartha. Va is to recall to our memory the continuation of the subject which was left in the past, something earlier mentioned. So earlier also it mentioned that everything is the what you call Tasyeva Shiraha, human shape, Anna, the Stula Sharira. So it's continuing on that. What is the Stula body made up of? Anna, Annat, Rasadi Bhava Parinatat. This Anna being transformed into various juices, various substances, broken into smaller substances which is supporting the body. Va iti smaranartha. Prajaha stavara jangamaha prajayante. So this Anna, from Anna, this stavara jangamaha, both the stavara and jangamaha are born. From the food alone, both the beings is sentient and insentient. Meaning they remain in one place, stavara, jangamaha, moving. Like plants, stavara. Jangamaha, animals and human beings. So, stavara jangamaha prajayante, they take birth. From what? From Anna. So, Annadi, Annad, Rasadi Bhava Paranatat. So, this Rasadi, various juices and all, transformed. It's Anna alone. So, Anna, whatever the food is there, it gets transformed, and from that again the seed is born. From that seed alone the beings are born. So prajaha stavara jangamaha prajayante yakascha avishishtaha. Now what are they born? Whichever you talk about it, yakascha meaning whatever they are there, whichever beings are there, avishishtaha without exception. On Prithvi Avisishtaha, Prithvim Sritaha, all Stavara Jangamas, without exception, that is being sentient and insentient, whichever beings are there on earth, whichever is created, whichever are there on earth, they all rest on earth. Prithvim ashritaha. They are taking the support of Prithvi and they reside on this Prithvi. Prithvim ashritaha. Ta sarvaha annadeva prajayante. So all the beings, Thavara Jangamaha, whichever beings are there resting on earth, staying on earth, all of them are born of food only, from food alone. Anna. Without any exception. So this anna, food being transformed into various juices, and semen, the seed is created. Then again the beings are, so all these things, whatever beings are there on earth, they are all born of food. They take birth from food. Prithvim ashritaha ta sarvaha annad eva prajayante. All these people, all the beings are created from food alone. Ataha, moreover, ataha means api jata, moreover, jata, when born. Jata means when born, when they are born. Annena eva jivanti. All the beings are born from food. Having born, how are they able to live? Annena eva jivanti. Again they live, they subsist, they survive only on food. So, athapi, api jata, api moreover, jata anneneva jivanti. Having been born, when they are born, again they survive only on food. ये पंखा थोड़ा कम कर दो. They survive again only on food. See? Anneneva jivanti. Annena jivanti means what? Jivanti means what? Pranan dharayanti. Pranan dharayanti. See? They pranan, their lives, pranas dharayanti. They preserve their lives. They live. They hold on to their lives. They take care of lives. They don't जीते हैं. प्राणान अपने प्राण को पकड़ के जी सकते हैं. Pranan dharayanti. They hold the pranas by food only. If food is not given, pranas will go. So pranan dharayanti. Not only dharayanti, not only they live, but vardhanta, meaning they also grow. Through what? Through food. That is why without eating food, the body cannot survive. So not only we hold our lives, we live, but also we grow only because of food. We say in English, nourishment is not there. Food nourishment is not there. Baby growth is not there. Growth is depending on nourishment. So all beings are born from food, live on food. अन्नेनैव जीवन्ति प्राणान् धारयन्ति वर्धन्ते इत्यर्थः. अथ इसके अलावा besides, अथ अपि येनद अन्नमपि yanti abhigachanti, and all these beings, they march towards food only again. Annam prati abhigachanti. Api shabdaha pratishabdarthe. Api means prati is the word used. Two words is used in sense of two words. So all these beings, they move towards annam prati praliyanta ityartha. What is the meaning here? याकाश्च पृथ्वीकं श्रुता अथो अन्नेनैव जीवन्ति अथेनदपि यन्ति अन्तः अन्ततः अथः येनदपि यन्ति अन्ततः. येनदपि means annam prati yanti yanti move antatah in the end. That's the meaning there. Meaning they are born from food, they live in food, and they move towards food. Prati shabdah shabdarthe annam prati praliyanta ityartha, meaning ultimately they merge in food. This you must have studied in Tattva Bodha also. What is food sheet? That which is born from food, which lives upon food, and when it dies, which becomes food. Atha enadapi yanti antataha annam prati praliyanta ityartha. Antataha means ante jivana lakshanayaha vritte parisamaptau. This vritti is there, jivana lakshanaya. What is the sign of life? Whatever the sign of activity. So jivana lakshanaya, when the conclusion of the growth of this life or the body ends. That is indicative of life. What is Jivana Vritti? Activity. Nahi kaschit kshanamapi jatu tishtati akarmakrita. What is the sign of life? Gurudev so beautifully says, action is insignia of life. Even a patient is in coma, blood circulation is going on, pulse rate is going on, involuntary functions are going on. So action signifies life. So here Acharya says, Jivana Lakshana. What is Jivana Lakshana? A आदमी जी रहा है, इसका मतलब some activity is going on. At least even the breath is not recognized when the pupil, at least eye is ultimate test. Reflex. Reflex is there, then life is there. Then they try to protect the life. Doctors जानते हैं यहाँ पे. That means what? Even a limited, minute activity is seen in the body. Doctors try to revive the patient's life. Life is revived. They try to revive life. Sometimes, because the breath also may give dhoka. Heart pulse also you may not catch the pulse. Ultimately, they see that there is the finest activity. So, Jivana Lakshanaya Parisamaptau, Lakshanaya Vrittehe Parisamaptau. When the end of this activity of life has come to an end, this again the body annam prati gachanti yanti antataha. In the end, it merges in food. Annamaya Sharira. Because in the first Anuvaka it was said that our body has head, Dakshina Pakshaha, Uttara Pakshaha, Pucham Pratishta. Now the essence of the body is analyzed. Oh, what is this head made up of? What is the Uttara Paksha, Dakshina Paksha made up of? What is the tail made up of? Everything is Anna. So we are trying to merge all these various limbs and the trunk, the Atma of the body, and the Pucham, the tail of the body, below the navel, both the legs, etc. Or we are trying to find out all these things are having born from one thing. What is the source? Annam is discovered now. What was earlier Acharya's, this is very important. Why this analysis is being said now? Tasya cha bahyakara vishesheshu anatma swatma bhavita buddhi analambya vishesham kinchit sahasa antaratama pratyagatma vishaya niralambana cha kartum ashakya iti दृष्ट शरीर आत्म सामान्य कल्पनया शाखा आचंद्र निदर्शनवंत अंतः प्रवेशयन आहा. This thought you have to understand. Because our intellect cannot be made immediately, sahasa, suddenly contentless. So, kalpanaya, this annamaya kosha ke andar, that Brahman which is seated, lodged in the cavity of the heart, this buddhi is to be directed, intended to direct the buddhi towards the self, step by step. Why is sahasa? It's not possible. Kartum ashakyaha iti. So now, slowly, what is the food made up of? Annamaya Sharira made up of food. Now I am analyzing the Annamaya Sharira. That which is born from food, exists in food, and becomes food after death. Kasmat, why it is so? Annam hi yasmat bhutanam praninam jeshtam prathamajam. Annam hi, see, annagam hi bhutanam jeshtam. How come everything is born from food, lives in food? Annagam, because since praninam Jeshtam Prathamajam is Annam. Because food is first born. Prathamajam, first born of all creatures. Pehla food is born, then the beings are born. Because beings are made up of food. Pehla mud, mitti, then baad mein you can make varieties. It's not that pots, plenty of pots together made mud. No. Mud is born before. So the essence of the entire Prithvi, all the beings is food. So, Prathamajam, Praninam Prathamajam. So, which is born among all beings, the first born is food is first born. What is the first born among all the pots? Mud is first born. Annagami sasmat bhutanam pranam jeshtam prathamajam अन्नमयादीनां हि इतरेषां भूतानां कारणम अन्नम अतः अन्न प्रभवा अन्न जीवना अन्न प्रलयाश्च सर्वाः प्रजाः अन्नमयादीनां हि इतरेषां भूतानां among all the other creatures of all the other creatures अन्नमयादीनां I mean of all the इतरेषां भूतानां कारणम अन्नम. What is the cause for all the beings, creatures in the universe? Annam karanam. See, itaresham bhutanam karanam annam. Ataha anna prabhava. Therefore, they are born. What is the cause? Cause is food. That means effects are born from the cause, exist in the cause, merges in the cause. Again, pot born from the mud, exists in the mud, merges into the mud. Body born from the food, exists in the food, merges into the food. So, Annamayadinam, beginning with those, all those, this Annamayadinam, beginning with those made up of food, Annamayadinam, Annamaya Adi, from diet. Everything is born. Itaresham bhutanam karanam annam. Ataha anna prabhava, anna jivana, anna pralayascha sarva prajaha. See? Yasmat, since this is so, yasmat cha evam, since it is like this, tasmat, therefore, sarvaushadham, sarva praninam dehadaha prashamanam annam uchyate. Sarva aushadham, tasmat sarvaushadham, it is a medicine of all. Sarva aushadham, sabkam, one thing. If the body is not well, you tell me, can you take anything other than anna? Capsule, anna. Tablet, anna. Massage, anna. Fasting, anna. Liquids, anna. You are not bringing something non-material to deal with this matter. Ayurveda, anna. Allopathy, anna. Homeopathy, anna. Except Vaikuntapati. Everything is Annamayam. Therefore, Anna is Sarva Aushadham. Therefore, if you are not well also, if you can, food is brought into regulation. Because Anna is made, body is made up of food. Tasmaat Sarva Aushadham Uchyate Sarva Praninam Dehadaha Prashamanam. See, Prashamanam, Dehadaha. All the bodily discomforts are eliminated. Deha daha prashamanam annam uchyate. Food is again a medicine, because if we take appropriate food, proper food, any food nishtha, one must practice for 7 years. Because every 7 years, every cell of the body is replaced. You count now, for example, this Muhurat, 2009, July 5th. So, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 2016, July 5th, your body is changed. Every cell is replaced. So, in 7 cycles, the body changes. So, right from birth, every 7 years, new bodies are created. So, this 7 years life, if we take care, that means the fresh body is created after that. So, here, Dehadaha Prashamanam, Annam Uchyate. So, Annam alone, we are very hungry, burning hunger, but also, therefore, Acharya says, this body is it has special disease. Every 3 hours or 4 hours you feel little hunger. A disease. Kshuddhyadhi. क्षुद्व्याधिश्च चिकित्स्यतां प्रतिदिनं भिक्षौषधं भुज्यतां स्वादु अन्नं न तु याच्यतां विधिवशात् प्राप्तेन संतुष्यताम्. You understood Sanskrit? क्षुद्व्याधिश्च चिकित्स्यतां प्रतिदिनं भिक्षौषधं भुज्यतां स्वादु अन्नं न तु याच्यतां विधिवशात् प्राप्तेन संतुष्यतां. समझ में आ गया होगा आपको संस्कृत पंडित्स. संतुष्यतां. And what is bhikshaushadam bhujyatam here? It doesn't mean that everybody goes on bhiksha begging others. Here bhiksha means, for grahastha, bhiksha means if you are wanted to live that life, do not ask anything on dining table. बाबा ये बहुत कठिन है, कुछ भी नहीं पूछना, जो बनाया खाओ चुपचाप. दैट इज भिक्षा. आज क्या बनाया, मैं तो क्या बना रहे हो, अच्छा ये क्यों नहीं बनाया. 3 स्टैंडर्ड क्वेश्चंस. एंड 4th वन, इसको ऐसा बनाना था और अगर रात के लिए भी बचा के रखना. All the thoughts are food thoughts only. Maya. Here Acharya says deha daha, discomforts. Daha means discomfort, ailments. Prashamanam annam uchyate. Anna Brahma Vidaha, the knowers of food as Brahman. Food alone is Brahman. There are some people, those who know the food is Brahman, those who recognize Annam as Brahman. Anna Brahma Vidaha, Anna Brahma Vidaha, Phalam uchyate. Now what, those who know this food is Brahman, Anna Brahma, what is the Phalam? Its fruit is uchyate. See, Annagami Bhutanam Jestam Tasmat Sarvam Shadham uchyate. Those who do this upasana as Annam as Brahma, meaning everywhere, meaning what Annam as Brahma means, respect and reverence, not to waste, not to ask anything, taking it as prasad, remembering that is Brahman alone is in the form. So some people do this upasana, very shraddha, they take food, with full concentration they take food. Let the food go inside, and they close, sometimes close and chew also. And they don't blame any food. They don't throw food, they don't waste food. They very most reverentially, respectfully take food. Their behavior, their attitude towards food is changed. So everything is annam. So this kind of practice in the beginning. Anna Brahma Vidaha, with respect. Phalam uchyate. Sarvam vaite samastam annajatam apnuvanti. They was all those people, they attain. Attain what? Sarvam samastam annajatam apnuvanti. They attain the total food. Samastam annajatam. Annajatam, all that which is born of food, they attain that. Ke, who are they? Ye annam brahma yathoktam upasate. So they attain all food, total food. Meaning in जीवन में, उनके जीवन में, there will be no problem for food, not only for themselves. Otherwise, Mahatmas, they feed thousands of people annadana. How it happened, nobody knows. From where the money comes, no one knows. Thousands and thousands and thousands people eat in some places. Every day. Nitya Annadanam. Mysterious. When we start, this is a very truth. Whoever comes, we start feeding without any thought of my abhi kyun aaya, इसके लिए दूसरा सब्जी बनाना पड़ता है, एक्स्ट्रा बनाना पड़ेगा ही। हम 2-3 घर पे होंगे तो कुछ भी खा लेंगे, ये तो अचानक आ गए अतिथि रूप में। वो एक और डांट रहे, एक और तारीफ कर रहे हैं। तो भगवान सुन रहे, ये तो डांट है या तारीफ है? अतिथि रूपेण, अचानक आ गए, माने आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड इट इज लैंग्वेज। These thoughts suppose not allowed to entertain. And with Shraddha, we cook food and feed. And that Anna Samruddhi in that house will be mind-boggling. You can't even know. Keep on, Annapurna will fill that. So she finds that this is the place where I am being respected, utilized, served properly. So let me fill the house with Anna. It fills. How it comes, don't ask me, it comes. This is another way of Anna Upasana, Brahma. How can we differentiate Narayana from staying in one stomach and Narayana staying in another stomach? कल का रोटी आप खा लो, आज का रोटी और किसी को खिलाओ। ये तो नौकर है, कल का दे दो। जो भी खाने योग्य पदार्थ भी आप खा के उनको खिलाओ तो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता। बट डिफरेंशिएशन, some houses नौकर about 5-10 people are there. I have heard, therefore I am talking. जैसे और नौकर 15 लोग जो घर में काम करता है, खाना मुफ्त। क्या करेंगे? एक ही सब्जी और चावल जो भी है या रोटी, एक सब्जी, और वही सब्जी रात को भी खाना है। And the sabji what they bring from market is not of high quality. These workers only told me. घर तो करोड़पति का घर है, बड़ा बड़ा घर है, ह्यूज। एंड वहां पे टेबल पर एक स्वीट भी किसी को नहीं जाता। भाई आज खिलाए तो कल मांगते हैं, सिर पर चढ़ जाते हैं। तो जिस दिन है खिलाओ, एंड द फेलो विल अंडरस्टैंड। आज नहीं है तो माँ जी नहीं खिलाएगी। Why don't we awake people to that awareness? Why don't we awaken their consciousness also to this level? If at all we are awakened. अन्ना उपासना के बारे में कह रहा हूं बस। If not this life, कब सुधरेंगे फिर? सब में, whether you are old or young, if you are a human being or any being, भूख तो हुई है, प्यास हुई है। इट्स ऑल सेम जठराग्नि। वेरी मोस्ट डिफिकल्ट ऑन द पाथ ऑफ एवोल्यूशन इज टू ब्रेक द वॉल्स ऑफ इनसेंसिटिविटी। उसको तोड़ना बहुत कठिन है। देन व्हेन वी स्टार्ट ब्रेकिंग द वॉल्स, द लाइट floods into our inner being. And we don't differentiate between this girl or a boy or old or young or rich or poor or healthy or unhealthy. Everything is my own swarupa. That kind of love overflows. And we feel genuinely happy in others' happiness. Anna Brahma Vedaha. हमारा बचपन में इवन एक चटनी अचार भी छोड़ दिया प्लेट पे, फटाफट उपनिषद वाक्य आता था। अन्नम परब्रह्म स्वरूपम शुड नॉट बी लेफ्ट। मैंने कहा सकता हूं इधर ही बैठो, थोड़ा हजम होने के बाद खाओ, अगले बार ज्यादा नहीं मांगना, जितना मांगना चाहिए उतना ही मांगो, 10 बार भी हम खिलाने के लिए तैयार है। डोंट बी ग्रीडी अबाउट फूड। ज्यादा मांगेंगे पहले ही, नहीं तो बचता नहीं, वो थॉट इज बैड। धीरे धीरे कहो। दिस इज रब्ड। रब्ड मीन्स रब्ड। अन्नम न निंद्यात, इट विल कम लेटर ऑन इन उपनिषद। इन सांदीपनि ऑल्सो in our ashram this board is kept in annashala. अन्नम न निंद्यात, अन्न की निंदा न करो, अपमान न करो। तद व्रतम, इट कम्स, दैट्स अ वाव, टेक इट अ वाव, दैट्स तद व्रतम। Here, so samasta anna jata. Therefore, no, they attain the total food. माने उनके जीवन में, I'm just telling you, अपने पेट के लिए कुछ नहीं, but whoever thousands and lakhs of people, those who are dependent on them, also are just fed like that. कहाँ से आता है पता नहीं, कौन खिला रहा है पता नहीं. Go on. How many Mahatmas are there in our country? How many ashramas are there in our country? How many orphanages are there in our country? How they are running? Ishvara Krupa. So, ye annam Brahma yathoktam upasate. Those who worship Brahma, annam as Brahma, food as Brahman, that is the result for them. Katham? How? Annajaha, annatmat, anna pralayoham, tasmat, annam Brahma iti, annaja, I am born of food, annatma, I am identical with food. Anna pralayoham, I merge into food. Tasmat annam Brahma, therefore food is Brahma. Iti, who always meditates, thinks about respect towards food, is awakened suddenly to or realizes abundance in his or her life. Kutaha punaha sarva anna prapti phalam anna atma upasanam iti uchyate. How again this anna upasanam, meditation on food, anna phalam, anna atma upasanam. How is that meditation on food becomes an identical with oneself? Anna atma upasanam. Meditation on food, sarva anna prapti phalam anna atma upasanam katham punaha iti uchyate. How is it possible that if you meditate on food results in the acquisition of all this food? Anna prapti phalam katham uchyate. अन्न के बारे में यदि मेडिटेशन, अन्न के ऊपर मेडिटेशन करे, अन्न की उपासना यदि करे, तो how do you attain this kind of total annam? Because annam hi bhutanam jyeshtham. Because you attain that. Why? It's a cause. Since food is first born of all beings, so you realize the cause of it. Annam hi bhutanam jyeshtham bhutebhyaha पूर्वम निष्पन्नत्वात् ज्येष्ठम ही यस्मात् तस्मात् सर्व औषधम उच्यते. भूतेभ्यः पूर्वम निष्पन्नत्वात्. फूड इज बॉर्न बिफोर द बर्थ ऑफ ऑल क्रीचर्स. अब देखिए भगवान की प्लान. पहले अन्न फूड क्रिया, बाद में दिन सपोज ही क्रिएटेड अस एंड स्टार्टेड कुकिंग फूड, तब तो मर ही जाएगा. हम इसलिए कहते हैं कि आगे थाली रख दिया, फिर बाद में चावल चढ़ाया, यानी तो आटा गूंदना शुरू किया, फिर तभी आटा का काम. थाली रख दिया लाइक 5 स्टार होटल, पहले ऑनियन और प्याज खाते रहो. दैट इज वेरी बैड. सो अन्ना इज क्रिएटेड फर्स्ट फॉर ऑल बीइंग्स. Beings are created later on so that they can eat food and survive. So bhutebhyah purvam nishpannatvat, because food is born, since food is born before the birth of all beings, before the beings or creatures are created, yasmat, since yasmat bhutebhyah purvam nishpannatvat jyeshtham, the food is first born, jyeshtham, tasmat, therefore sarva aushadam uchyate, therefore it becomes sarva aushadam, tasmat sarva aushadam uchyate, therefore the medicine of all. Because for all the diseases in the effect, the cause has to be the source. The cause is set right, effect is gone. As annam is the source of everything, cause of everything. Tasmad upapanna, therefore it is logical enough. Sarva anna atma upasakasya sarva anna prapti. Therefore natural, when you are worshipping the source of it, cause of it, effects are all realized. If you meditate on mud, you realize all the mud products are made up of mud. If you meditate on gold, you would realize that all the products of the gold are made up of gold. If you meditate on food as Brahma, then we realize everything is annam, everybody is born from annam, survive in annam, live in anna on food. and merge into food. Yasmat tasmad upapanna sarva annatmapasakasya sarva. Therefore, it is very logical for the one who worships food as sarva anna atma. The food is worshipped as sarvatma upasakasya. Wood is worshipped as self of all, source of all. Upasakasya sarva anna praptihi. That means what? In abundance he gets. So that see one thing. आप बताइए, आपके अंडर में 4-5 लोग काम कर रहे हैं, हाँ, अब करोड़ों रुपयों का बिजनेस आप धंधा कर रहे हैं, आप किसके हाथ में अपने करोड़ों रुपयों सौंप के काम कराना चाहते हैं? बताओ। 4-5 लोग जो ट्रस्टवर्दी, in whose hands this money is safe. Whom do you make a general manager, accounts department or chief account department? In whose hands expenditure or accounts takes place properly? Whom do you make in finance? In whose hands the finance custodian, in whose custodian the amount is properly spent, is it not? In whose hand the abundance would come on Prithvi? In that person who acts as a custodian of Bhagavan, who doesn't misuse anything, whatever is provided to him more and more is provided. In kinds of knowledge, wealth, skill, everything. If it is properly utilized through that window, the Lord empowers him or her. अरे इसके हाथ में पैसा मत देना, ये तो हिसाब नहीं देते, पता नहीं क्या करते, हम बोलते हैं कि नहीं। अरे इसको फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर मत बनाना, पता नहीं क्या करेगा। इसको बना सकते हो, एक पैसा भी नहीं जाएगा। तो वी हैव टू डेवलप in ourselves the character, so that the all-pervading Lord, Ishvara, would trust us, that this fellow in Upadhi, or Guru trusts us. He, if I empower him, nothing is misused. Whether it is knowledge, whether it is experience, whether it is money, whether it is property, whether it is a power or a position, his respect. So one who reverentially behaves or treats food as Brahman, he alone is empowered. आप ये मूल प्रिंसिपल को पकड़ के आप जीते जाएगा जीवन में, यू विल सी द चेंज. आपको अभी इस वक्त आपके हाथ में जो भी है, पावर, पोजीशन, पैसा, संपत्ति, जो भी है, if it is properly utilized, not selfishly, and you will find your hands are always full. That is upasana. Sarva anna atmapasakasya sarva anna praptihi. Annat bhutani jayante jatani annena vardhanta. Iti again repeated, no? In this anuvaka you see, this vakya is repeated. Is it not? Sarvam ye annam brahmo tasmaat sarvoshadam uchyate. It come. Sarvam vaite annam apnamati ye annam brahmo sade annagami bhutanam. See, repeated again. Annagami bhutanam jeshtam tasmaat sarvoshadam uchyate. Is it not? So therefore Acharya says, Annat bhutani jayante jatani anevardhanti iti upasamharartham punarvachanam. Annat bhutani jayante, so annenai vajya jivanti. All these statements are upasamharanartham. Punarvachanam. It is again indicating to the conclusion again. Remember, everything is born out of food. Tasmat sarva aushadham uchyate. Sarva aushadham uchyate annam. Annam brahma. Idanim anna nirvachanam uchyate. Now, etymological meaning of anna is given now. What is annam? Anna upasana is told. What is upasana? We saw now. Anna upasana. Now what is annam? Annam, etymology, adyate. Adyate means that which is eaten. Eaten by creatures. Anna is, means what? Adyate. Bhujyate cha eva yad bhutaihi. That which is eaten by beings or creatures is called anna. In a larger connotation, not only through mouth, through eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin. As Gurudev said, what is annam? All consumable goods. In third chapter of Bhagavad Gita. Annat bhavanti bhutani. What is anna there? Gurudev is so beautiful. He said, all consumable goods are anna. That which we experience or enjoy through eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin, all become anna. So that which is eaten is annam. Adyate, bhujyate, that which is eaten is called annam, etymological meaning. Moreover, not only that, annam atticha. Atticha means annam also is atticha. Atti means eats. That which is eaten and also that which eats. What is food? Food is that which is eaten and also that which eats. खाया जाता है और खाती भी है वो. अन्न खाते. अन्न को नहीं, अन्न खुद ही खाता है दूसरों. अन्न इज ईटर एंड द ईटन. पागल है आप. ईटर और ईटन. अन्न हाउ कैन बिकम ईटर? सिंपल एग्जाम्पल आई टेल यू. ज्यादा खाओ, अन्न आपको खाता है. सोच लो. यू आर ईटन बाय फूड ओनली. You eat food in the beginning, then food eats you in the later stages. पता नहीं, कुछ भी हजम नहीं हो रहा है, कुछ भी खाए तो परेशान हो रही है. माने अन्न is eating you, enjoying you. देखिए, so that not only that which eaten is food, that which eats also is food. Matter is eaten by matter. Matter is consumed by matter. Matter consumes matter. But the matter eats matter. In other sense, matter is eaten this matter. That matter is eaten, eats this matter, and this matter is eaten by that matter. So, adyate atticha. ज़्यादा खाए तो food eats us. नहीं खाया तो भी food eats us. Why? You stop eating. The inner acid contents, inner body, inner stored energy is consumed. You are eaten by food only. Which food? That which was food already there in the system. It has to survive. So it started consuming, and all energy, all cells are eaten. All the acids are consumed. All the food, whatever is stored energy is eaten. So you are eaten by food and you eat food. If you eat food respectfully, ईमानदारी से, in a larger connotation, then food protects you. So atticha ajna bhutaihi, then annam atticha bhutani swayam tasmat bhutaihi buddhyamanatvat bhuta bhoktritvat bhutaihi bhujyamanatvat, because it is being consumed by the creatures. Then bhuta bhoktritvat, and also it eats bhutas, beings also. Eaten by beings, and also anna eats food. Because of these two, annam taduchyate. So it is called annam. Adyate atticha bhutani. See the adyate, eaten. Atticha eats. Bhutani. Tasmad annam taduchyata iti. That is the meaning. Etymological meaning. Moola mantra. Adyate ticha bhutani tasmad annam taduchyata iti. So, tasmad annam taduchyata iti. Iti shabdaha prathama kosha parisamaptyartaha. Iti indicates the end of the explanation regarding the first sheath, Annamaya Kosha. Yiti, meaning conclude. Taduchyata yiti tasmadva etasmad annarasamayat anyontara atma pranamaya तेनैष पूर्णः सवायेष पुरुषविध एव तस्य पुरुषविधताम् अन्मयं पुरुषविदः तस्य प्राण एव शिरः व्यानो दक्षिणपक्षः अपान उत्तरपक्षः आकाश आत्मा पृथिवी पुच्छं प्रतिष्ठा तदप्येष श्लोको भवति. दिस वी विल सी टुमारो 7 to 8 AM. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांति. हरि ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः. हरि ओम. सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय.